Hello, my friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen and President Biden have both officially proposed a brand new tax plan that would affect millions of Americans' finances. It also has been confirmed that $400 stimulus payments will begin to be sent out to low-income households very soon. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn if you are eligible to claim this extra new relief check. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. And friends, in a video later today, I'll be announcing the winner of today's giveaway. So please do stay tuned.
Okay, I'm the author of the Brady Law, as you know, passed it in 1994 when I was a House member, and I care very, very deeply about this issue. Obviously, we want to get something done to stop gun violence. There are a number of discussions going on. Some are bipartisan, some are in our own caucus, and we're going to work towards what we can actually get done. Yes, well, two of the issues we're working on, we're making good progress on an insulin bill that would keep the cost of insulin at $35, but it goes broader. Senator Shaheen and Senator Collins are working on a bipartisan bill that would deal with some of the underlying causes as well, dealing with the intermediaries. We're working obviously on the USICA bill. We had a very good conference. I think 90% of the thousands of conferees showed up and spoke, and we're making good progress on that as well, which deals a great deal with costs. Yes.
Here is some wonderful news. California Governor Gavin Newsom announced an $18.1 billion inflation relief package. Most of the money will go towards sending out $400 payments to car owners. Californians who have more than one vehicle registered to their name will receive $800 because the payments are capped at 2 vehicles per person. The proposal comes as AAA reports a record high average for California gas prices, which eclipsed the $6 mark this week. Other proposals at the state capitol include suspending the state's gas tax. The current plan would allocate the money through a debit card to all vehicle registrants, including motorcycle and electric vehicle owners, regardless of income. As early as this summer, payments would be capped at $800 for anyone with more than one vehicle registered under their name, though households with multiple vehicles registered to different family members could receive far more than that amount. Californians who don't own a registered vehicle would not receive a refund, although $750 million in grants would go to transit and rail agencies to offer free or substantially reduced fares. Governor Newsom's proposal is expected to cost the most of several proposals introduced in the state legislature. His $11 billion plan includes $9 billion in tax refunds to drivers, $750 million for public transit grants, and $600 million to pause the sales tax on diesel for 1 year. So, dear friends, do you think that this is a good way to provide stimulus checks to residents? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen celebrated a historic day last summer when more than 100 nations agreed to a global minimum tax deal. This was aimed at putting the world's countries on a more equal footing in attracting and keeping multinational companies. President Biden tweeted that the idea was diplomacy, reshaping our global economy, and delivering for our people. But this week, as Janet Yellen joined a group of 7 finance ministers for meetings in Germany, she found herself insisting that the prospects were moving ahead with the landmark tax plan were merely not hopeless. The plan is running up against new resistance abroad and old divisions at home. As fresh global concerns take center stage, the threat of rising food insecurity, crushing inflation, and many other urgent matters have stolen finance ministers' attention away from putting the plan in place. before a 2023 deadline. The threat of rising food insecurity, crushing inflation, and other urgent matters have taken away finance ministers' attention away from putting the plan in place before a 2023 deadline. This past Friday, the group of 7 finance ministers wrapped up their 2 days of meetings with a joint statement that was most notable for announcing a pledge of $19.8 billion in economic aid. But the announcement only included a brief mention of the tax idea. The finance ministers reiterated a strong political commitment to the timely and effective implementation of the plan to bring new rules into effect at a global level. The global minimum tax deal is designed to subject large multinational firms to a 15% tax rate wherever they operate. The deal also provides for taxing parts of the profits of the largest global companies in countries where they do businesses online, but may have no physical presence. The United States would have the highest personal income tax rate in the developed world under this newest White House proposal, and it would dramatically raise the rates paid by well-off Americans. The budget blueprint that President Biden unveiled recently includes several tax hikes on the ultra-wealthy and corporations. The Biden administration's proposal would raise the average top tax rate on personal income to 57.4%, the steepest rate in the 38-member organization for the Economic Cooperation and Development. Friends, the keyword for this video is Denali. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Denali, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Under the proposal, the top sliver of U.S. households would be required to pay a tax rate of at least 20% of their full income, or the combination of wage income and whatever they made in unrealized gains. They will owe a top-up payment that makes up the difference to meet the new minimum. So friends, what do you think about the U.S. having the highest personal income tax rate in the world? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my fantastic and incredible friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, I'm giving away 4 Walmart gift cards every week. To enter any of the giveaways, my friends, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.